Every evening or night, we see the moon in the sky. But what do we actually know about the moon? Watch, it's going to be interesting.
The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is far more mysterious and fascinating than it seems. You might think you know it, but here are some amazing facts that will change your perspective forever. 1. Extreme temperature swings. Because the moon almost has no atmosphere, temperatures vary wildly from a scorching 127 degrees Celsius or 260 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to a freezing -173 degrees Celsius or -280 degrees Fahrenheit at night. These extremes make its surface like a vast natural furnace and freezer in one. The lack of air means there is no insulation to retain heat, so once the sun sets, temperatures plummet rapidly. 2. Water ice hiding in shadows. Despite common belief, there is water on the moon, in the form of ice, mostly locked away in craters at the poles that never see sunlight. These permanently shadowed regions act like natural cold traps, preserving ice made of water molecules delivered by comets, asteroids, and solar wind. Scientists estimate there could be at least 600 million tons of lunar ice, enough to support future human bases for drinking water and even rocket fuel. 3. Almost perfect solar eclipses. The moon appears to perfectly cover the sun during a total solar eclipse due to a remarkable cosmic coincidence. It is about 400 times smaller than the sun, but also about 400 times closer to Earth. This rare balance means the moon can block out the sun's light exactly, creating awe-inspiring eclipses that have fascinated humans for millennia. 4. The dark, rocky landscape. Although it shines brightly in our night sky, the moon's surface is actually very dark. Its reflectivity, or albedo, is just slightly higher than that of asphalt. Its rugged surface is covered in fine dust called regolith, mixed with countless craters formed by meteorite impacts over billions of years, giving it a battered and ancient look. 5. We only see one side of the moon. Due to synchronous rotation, the moon always shows the same face to Earth. This near side is marked by large flat plains called maria, dark volcanic basaltic plains, while the far side is rugged, mountainous, and heavily cratered. The far side remained unseen by humans until spacecraft orbited it decades ago. 6. The moon is slowly drifting away. Every year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters or 1.5 inches farther from Earth. This gradual drift began after the moon formed roughly 4.5 billion years ago, when it was much closer, orbiting only about 22,000 kilometers away, compared to today's 384,000 kilometers. This drifting affects Earth's tides and will eventually make total solar eclipses impossible millions of years from now. 7. Gravity, only 1/6 of Earth's. You would weigh just 16.5% of your Earth weight on the moon, making it a place where humans could jump incredibly high and feel almost weightless. This gravity difference impacts everything from how astronauts move to how rockets launch from the lunar surface, making it an ideal place for future exploration. 8. Marks remain for billions of years. With no wind, rain, or flowing water to erode its surface, footprints, rover tracks, and even crash sites from missions like Apollo will likely remain visible for millions or even billions of years, frozen in time as silent witnesses to humanity's first steps beyond Earth. 9. Formed by a colossal impact. The leading scientific theory is that the moon was created from debris after a massive collision between a young Earth and Mars-sized body called Theia. This cataclysmic event blasted huge amounts of material into orbit, which eventually coalesced into the moon we see today, making it essentially a piece of Earth's own mantle. 10. No atmosphere, no sound. The moon's almost complete lack of atmosphere means no air to carry sound waves, so it is perfectly silent, even during impacts or landings. This silence makes the lunar environment eerie and unique, adding to the mystery of this celestial companion. Our moon isn't just a glowing rock in the night sky. It's a dynamic world holding secrets about the history of Earth and the solar system. Dive into this mysterious, cold, and dusty realm, and you'll find it endlessly captivating.